Hey guys, I'm Dave with Accuracy Solutions, and I'm here to show you the latest iteration of our rifle stabilizing device. This is a blank one right here, and this is a dual Picatinny. I'm going to mount a single ARCA on the blank one right now. You can do a double ARCA, single Picatinny, or double Picatinny depending on what you're shooting, how much rail space you have. Our single brackets start at just under $50, and our double brackets start at just under $100, and it goes up from there depending on which ones you want. So here, let me show you how it's done. Everything you need will come in this box. Got an Allen wrench, your Allen screws, and your Loctite clamps as well. You can order one of these, single or double, and put it on this or put it on a blank one. But this way you don't have to take 2, 3, 4 different rifle stabilizing devices to the range when you're shooting multiple rifles. So if you see, you have it keyed right here, and you have a key on the bottom, so this won't shift around at all and load up those Allens. So, pretty easy. Most of y'all should know how to do this, but just in case you don't. Put a little dab of blue Loctite on there. Drop it down in there. Blue dab, blue Loctite on there. Drop it down in there. Get this nonsense out of the way. Nice and light, just to make sure we're not cross-threading anything. Snug them up together. That's a single.